welcome to my new shop. Supershop. Security system. Hey, can I get a strawberry? Of course. You stupid. You stupid strawberry. You don't have to. You don't have to throw like. Sorry. I made up for it. Oh. I'm gonna take the strawberry. Nom nom nom. I'm gonna go away now, boy. Hey, you caused that. You caused an experiment. The employee is always right. Anyway, let's sell this guy. Anyway, you want this guy? May. Let's take you out for repairing. You left the shoe. Never mind. Okay. And I want a phone. Okay. My candles! You sucker! The customer's always right. I'm powerless. What do you have? Anyone want some cake? I've been wanting a break. Hey, that's my break. I actually work jobs. No, I work jobs. Hey, let's fight over it then. I want the phone. Oh, that's Cake's phone. Well, let me give you your money. What money? I'm gonna give you your oil. I'm gonna feed this robot. Oh, manual labor is so extreme. Ah, yes. Ha. Thank you. Why did everyone just fly off like that? Is there any actual business around here? What was that? No, I just gave you food. No. What's this phone doing here? I got it for free. Yeah, let me watch the battle. Ow! Hey, you didn't use me. No! No! Coming through! Let me clean this up. Oh, blood. Now, let's fight for the rotting cake. Ah! I'm in my evil form. Ah! do that today. My intelligent robot. I gotta buy robot back. Mm. I want my robot. The robot in the hallway. Thought you're gonna work for me. Anything for my friend robot. Robot, let me work for you. I do absolutely nothing. You can be paid. Okay. Did it just restart by a few seconds? Oh, I can't. Oh, take my life for this episode. A free phone? But at least I can. What just happened? At least I can still stand. Let me go in. Phone. Yes. Phone. Phone. No, there's absolutely no way you deserve a phone. Let me save this phone for someone else. We'll do the battle. I got the cake. Yes. Let me get away. Yeah. I squeezed in the line. Well, we can celebrate. Oh! Oh! Huh. I'm selling a tomato limited edition. Tomato! Tomato! The tomato's mine. I thought we were best friends. Make it freeze to save the tomato. Get on the phone. Oh. Hibernate. Warm them up. Now I'm gonna robot. I found. Give me my syringe. Okay. Hey, give me a syringe. Okay, I'm gonna give you a random syringe. It came back to this. Why are we battling for the cake again? I don't feel like I'm saying this. Uh-oh. I want to place this in the shop. Whoa, freeze up. Safe, Rita. I hibernated them. They can be sold. I got super power. Of course I got the new leg, obviously. Yeah, how about you? You don't have any new legs. Oh, look, buy this, please. Thanks. Oh, what are you gonna do with this product? Do something? What do you mean? That's what I was gonna do. Bye. But let me die. Let me just tender donate. What just happened? Am I fine? Or am I tall? Or I am something? Because I need to break my game. 3, 2, 1. Ah! 10 to the power of 21. Thanks for watching this video. Feel free to subscribe and like. If you don't want to, then fine, I guess. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. So bye. See you soon.